What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best PS5 headsets to buy right now. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The SteelSeries Arctis Nova Pro wireless headset is designed to transport you into an immersive soundscape, delivering legendary sound quality with its Nova Pro acoustic system. With 360-degree spatial audio and sonar software, this headset pulls you into a different world, providing an advantage in gaming with its precise sound positioning and active noise cancellation to keep you fully immersed. Equipped with premium high-fidelity drivers, the Arctis Nova Pro Wireless delivers ultimate clarity and sound quality, allowing you to fully appreciate the nuances of your audio. The sonar software provides a first-in-gaming pro-grade parametric EQ, enabling you to fully customize and fine-tune your sound experience according to your preferences. The 360-degree spatial audio feature creates an immersive surround sound experience, transporting you into the gaming world and providing a competitive edge by allowing you to hear every critical step, reload, or vocal cue with precision. The headset is fully compatible with Microsoft Spatial Sound for Xbox and Tempest 3D Audio for PS5, enhancing your gaming experience even further. The Arctis Nova Pro Wireless offers an active noise cancellation feature, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in your virtual world by tuning out ambient noise. The specialized 4-mic hybrid system effectively eliminates background noise, and the transparency mode with variable levels adapts to any situation. With the Infinity Power System, you can hot swap between 2 batteries, ensuring that your headset never runs out of power. This feature allows you to keep your headset going without interruptions. The headset also offers multi-system connectivity, with twin USB ports that allow you to connect your Xbox, PC, Mac, PlayStation, or Switch. You can easily swap between different systems with the press of a button, providing versatility and convenience. Furthermore, the Arctis Nova Pro Wireless features dual audio streams, enabling you to mix 2 audio connections simultaneously. This allows you to chat with friends while gaming, and with lag-free 2.4 GHz wireless connectivity, you can use Bluetooth simultaneously for calls, Discord, music, and podcasts. The Clearcast Gen 2 mic with AI-powered noise cancellation technology ensures crystal-clear communication as it silences background noise and is backed by the powerful AI algorithms of the sonar software. The retractable mic design adds a sleek look to the headset when not in use. The Razer Barracuda X is a highly versatile headset designed to provide an immersive gaming experience at home and seamless audio on the go. With its 4-in-1 USB-C wireless connectivity, this headset is compatible with multiple platforms, making it suitable for both gaming and mobile entertainment. One of the standout features of the Barracuda X is the Smart Switch dual wireless capability. This allows the headset to effortlessly switch between high-speed 2.4 GHz mode and Bluetooth mode, depending on whether you're using it with your PC console or phone, respectively. This feature provides seamless audio connectivity as you transition between different devices. The ergonomic design of the Barracuda X is built for extended gaming sessions while remaining portable enough for daily commutes. Weighing only 250 grams, it offers a lightweight build that is complemented by breathable memory foam ear cushions and swiveling ear cups, ensuring a comfortable and snug fit during long gaming marathons. The headset is equipped with Razer Triforce 40mm drivers, featuring a patented 3-part driver design. This design delivers exceptional audio quality, with clear highs, mids, and lows that enhance gaming immersion and provide a dynamic listening experience for music and videos. The Barracuda X also features a detachable Razer Hyperclear cardioid mic, which is tuned to suppress background noise for enhanced voice capture during gaming. It can be easily removed, making the headset more travel-friendly for mobile use. With a remarkable 50 hours of battery life and USB-C charging, the Barracuda X is designed to last throughout your day of gaming and commuting. Its endurance matches its versatility, ensuring uninterrupted gaming and entertainment sessions without worrying about battery life. Lastly, the Barracuda X provides convenient on-headset controls. Easily accessible buttons located underneath the ear cups allow effortless control over music, videos, and calls, providing a seamless user experience. The Turtle Beach Stealth 700 Gen 2 Max is an officially licensed wireless headset designed for gamers seeking a versatile and immersive audio experience across multiple platforms. Compatible with Xbox, PlayStation, PC, and Nintendo Switch, this headset offers wide compatibility, allowing you to enjoy its features on various gaming systems. With a proprietary, lag-free 2.4 GHz wireless connection, the Stealth 700 Gen 2 Max ensures a seamless and uninterrupted gaming experience. The headset also features a long-lasting battery life of 40+ hours, allowing you to play for extended periods without worrying about charging. The Gen 2 mic of the Stealth 700 Gen 2 Max is designed to provide clear chat with teammates, enhancing communication during multiplayer gaming sessions. This ensures that you can effectively coordinate strategies and stay connected with your team. The high-performance 50mm nano-clear speakers of the headset are tuned to deliver immersive surround sound, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the game and hear every detail with precision. Additionally, the Stealth 700 Gen 2 Max offers Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to game and stay connected with other devices simultaneously. This feature provides flexibility and convenience, allowing you to manage multiple audio sources at once. To ensure optimal performance, it is recommended to update the firmware of the headset using the Turtle Beach Audio Hub desktop app. This helps maintain compatibility and unlocks the best performance of the device. The gel-cooled, memory foam ear cushions with ProSpecs technology provide long-lasting comfort, even during extended gaming sessions. The metal-reinforced headband design adds durability and ensures a secure fit, making the Stealth 700 Gen 2 Max a reliable companion for intense gaming experiences. The SteelSeries Arctis Prime is a top-of-the-line gaming headset designed for ultimate victory. Developed in collaboration with the world's leading competitive players, every aspect of the Arctis Prime headset has been meticulously crafted to deliver an exceptional gaming experience. One of the standout features of the Arctis Prime is its advanced high-fidelity audio drivers. These drivers are calibrated to provide maximum detail separation, ensuring that every sound in the game is reproduced with stunning clarity and accuracy, especially at the highest levels of competitive gameplay. In terms of construction, the Arctis Prime boasts a lightweight yet durable metal construction. The headset utilizes a combination of steel and aluminum alloy, providing maximum durability and a consistent fit. This ensures that the headset can withstand the rigors of intense gaming sessions while remaining comfortable to wear. To further enhance the gaming experience, the Arctis Prime features noise-isolating ear cushions. These premium soft ear cups effectively block out background noise, allowing you to focus on the game without distractions. This is particularly important in competitive gaming scenarios where concentration is key. The Arctis Prime also excels in communication with its noise-canceling Discord-certified microphone. The advanced bidirectional mic design provides superior noise cancellation, ensuring crystal-clear voice communication during gameplay. This allows you to communicate effectively with your teammates, giving you an edge in competitive matches. In terms of convenience, the Arctis Prime is universally compatible with all gaming platforms. It also features a detachable 3.5mm cable at both ends, allowing for easy transport and protection against damage. This ensures that you can enjoy the Arctis Prime's exceptional performance on any gaming platform, whether at home or on the go. The Sony Pulse 3D wireless headset is designed to elevate your gaming experience with its sleek design and immersive 3D audio capabilities, specifically optimized for the PlayStation 5 console. This ultra-sleek all-black headset is finely tuned to deliver the incredible 3D audio that the PlayStation 5 offers, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in your gaming nights. The Pulse 3D headset features a refined design with dual noise-canceling microphones, ensuring crystal-clear communication with your friends while gaming. The hidden noise-canceling microphones allow you to chat with your friends without any distractions, providing a seamless multiplayer experience. With easy access controls, you can quickly adjust audio and chat settings without interrupting your gameplay. The headset also offers a built-in rechargeable battery that provides up to 12 hours of wireless play, allowing you to enjoy extended gaming sessions without worrying about running out of power. The Pulse 3D wireless headset is compatible with the PlayStation 5, PlayStation 4, and PC, offering versatility across different gaming platforms. It easily connects to your PS5 or PS4 console using the wireless adapter, ensuring a hassle-free setup and seamless gameplay experience. Additionally, the headset is designed for comfort with refined earbuds and a headband strap, allowing you to enjoy hours of gaming without discomfort. It is specifically built for the new generation of gaming, delivering the best possible audio experience when 3D audio is supported by the game.